What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Torrance. If you can see behind me, obviously there's a Nike outlet. Let's go check it out. One of y'all did let me know that they had some Air Max 90s for hella cheap here, but I did miss a visit that weekend. So hopefully we can find some deals like that, because man, it was like under 40 bucks for those Air Max 90s. Dang. Big old shout out to Activate Hustle Mode. We talked for like, I think we talked for like 20 minutes, just chopping it up about random stuff. All right, let's go see what's up in the Torrance outlet. All right, let's see what they got. One of the smaller outlets, but they should have a bunch of dope returns. Dude got some Jade 5s. This was dope last week when $50 off 175, so you get 50 bucks off. But no, it's just 20% off the back wall, and I don't think this counts, so regular price here. Leather is nice on them. Size 8. I would assume they'd probably have multiple sizes of these. A lot of people are turning them. Size 9s. Got the, man, I'm telling you, the leather on these, material on these are nice. The Moonlight 5s. Size, I just said size 9, right? Yep, size 9. Go for retail. Little courtesy reminder, 20% off the entire wall. Dude got these things, size 16. These look like a size 25. These LeBrons are gargantuan, and man, they just look so big. Size 16, 2 bills. These look dope though. I did like the look. 14s, are they? Oh, okay, $180 for the Invincible Run Flyknits. Rams Pegasus 38s go for $130, size 12. Jordan Series. Now they're just Series EX. Okay. All right, 80 bucks, size 13. More size 13s. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. $110 for these. That's dope, dude. I do like these. Colorway's awesome. These feel really dope on feet too. Got good spring on them. $110 for those. Normally 110 down to 105. Do got some different materials. Also got some suede on it. Okay. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits going for 110. Man, nah. You know what? I was gonna try this on, but I was like, I don't need sneakers right now, man. I got way too much. But dang, dude, thinking about this for one of the relatives. Who does do some running. Some LeBron size 11.5, $160 for those. Fruity Pebbles, 19 lows. Oh, I thought these were Converse. Some Blazers. We got some Blazer mids. That's some definitely interesting flavor. Was these 11.5? Damn, was everything 11.5 here today? Killshot 2s, 85 for those. That's a size 11. Got some Zoom Trouts, some baseball cleats, 50 bucks. They normally that cheap? What the hell? 11.5. Big size is not too crazy. Immortality is going for 11.5. Waffle Trainer 2 is going for 110 bucks. Oh, 100 bucks, my bad. Size 11. Air Sheesh. I don't think I've seen that colorway. Ooh, with the backward swoosh right there. Okay. 110 for those. Still got these acronym Blazers down to $90 now. They're going down in price. Okay. 90 bucks, you do get that 20% off, so not bad. Does come with the 3D or extra 3D things in the back. These normally start at 140, so wow, down to 90 bucks plus a discount. Got multiple, got different sizes as well. PG 5s going for 110. Hirachis on sale, 45. Oh, that's a size 7.5, $45. What the hell? Size 10 Pegasus 38 Flys go for 90 bucks. Dude got these Air Force One boots going for retail 160. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s going for $90. Okay, starting to see some sales. That's a size 9. Dude got some Air Max 90 surplus, $140 for those. All black, little touch of red. Okay. Air Max 95s going for retail. PG 5s retail. Zoom Plus, these are down to 30. That's what's up. We've seen that a few times. More of these acronym Blazers going for 90. That's a size 8.5. Now what's this? Oh, some Zions. Going for retail size 10. Alright, it looks like that's definitely the dopest thing. I think he said that one of the workers mentioned that they have some marinas. I think one or two pair of marinas in the back too. The marina ones. Okay. Now we are checking the aisles. Soldier 14s. Some Witness. These are 6s, right? Got a couple of 5s. Wow, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen these. Oh my goodness. The Zoom Freaks going for $45. Holy crap, I wonder what the price was last week on these. They got bigger sizes, 10.5, 12s, 9s, 8s. Okay, they got a lot of sizes, okay. KD 14s. Do got plenty of sizes. 8s, 9s, 10.5s, 12s, 13, 14s. Wow. PG 5s. These things right here. Did forget to check the last shot aisle. Let's look at this. PG 5s right here. Witness 4s. Greater Impacts. Tan Junes. I haven't seen one of these and man, what the hell? I feel like it's been forever since I've seen one of those. Vomero 16s. Wow. $100 off of these. Dang, dude. Got sizes 9 to 14s. Air Max 20. Air Max 270 Reacts. The Nurse's shoes. The Zoom Pulse. Killshot 2 leathers. Another one of those. Air Max 2017s. Seen this trio at quite a few outlets lately. Damn, this color's so awful, but I just love that full-length Air Max unit. Last colorway of those. Dang, they want the full 130 for these. Damn, that's steep. Steep. Air Zoom types right here. Metcons. These are Metcon 6s. Couple of those. Then even Metcon 7s. It looks like they changed the back a lot. I don't know if that's for stability or what. Yeah, it looks like a plastic piece right there, more for stability. Threw some React in there too. Okay. And then these, yes, those. Okay, we're seeing the Pegasus 36 down to where they should be, man. Come on, dude. These should be cheap as hell. Old ass tech. 37 shields. Ooh, that's really good. This is the one that does protect you from the elements. Does have an extra shield over the top, I guess. Wow, we're seeing some great deals now. Dang, 3 different colorways of the shields, huh? Regular Pegasus 37s. Got a few of these. Okay. React Milers. These look super dorky, but seem super comfortable. Full length React. A little more stable, it looks like, than the Pegasus, because a lot more React on the back right there. Okay. Infinity Run Flyknits. A few different colorways of those. Dang, the aisles are pretty decent, not bad. Well, with the running shoes section, I guess, right? Okay. Excuse me. Checking out the women's section real quick. Do got these. I've never seen this colorway. The Air Max 97s, $170 for those. Never seen that before. I said size 6, right? Okay, size 6. Size 6.5. Invincible Run Flyknits going for way too much, $155. Vapor Max Flyknits going for $135. Man, with that discount, not bad. More size 6s. Seeing some Huaraches finally going down in price, $85 for those. Moving up to size 8. Delta 2s going for $130. A lot less interesting stuff than the men's for some reason. $160 for these size 8s. Infinity Run Flyknits. Prices seem to be high too. Pegasus 37s going for $90. Pegasus 38s for $75. That's a little bit better. So size 8. What are these? What the hell? Some Nike Burrows going for $45. Still trying to give clothes for $45. You crap. Only 60. That's size 9. Some OGs. $140 for those. Size 9.5. What's that right next to it? Oh, okay. These some the waffle racers. I think so. Okay. 9.5. Retail, I guess. Going for. Do got some Fontanka Air Force Ones. These are definitely interesting. $125 for those. Size 10.5. Size 11. Delta Breed 2s going for retail. All right, let's check out the aisles. Air Max 2017s right here, even in the women's. Air Max 90s. 2090s right here. I'm not a fan of these. Did I walk right past these 2017s too? That's an interesting colorway. Not good, but interesting. Metcon 6s. I almost neglected the last shot section, one of my favorite sections here. Infinity Run Flyknit 2s. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits, go for a really good price right there. Vapor Max Flyknit 2021s. Then regular aisles, kind of expensive. Vapor Max and Next Percent right here. Retail price. Another one of those. Tempo Next Percent Flyknits. 130 for those. Few sizes. Another one of those. Maybe these will keep going down in price. Maybe grab one then. Or maybe some of them are already down in price a lot. Wow. Then got the Alpha Flies. Wow. Retail's not 300. I think 275 is retail. Some Pegasus 38s. Fly Ease version. More of those. 37 Shields. More 37. Do got some more Air More Up Tempos on. I did switch my shoes to show y'all something different. I'm a fan of these. I think I got it for what, 120 or something? Got them on sale. Shorts and t-shirt, pretty warm, you know. So someone turned off the lights by accident. Man, I have a band-aid on my thumb, so the stop and go of the videos have been a little more rough. Hopefully it looks okay. That's crowded over there. Oh man, I was talking to a few people about the Lakers and they're about to close. Get the hell out of here. Oh my goodness. All right, shorter vlog. Let's go.